Good day, I'm Cody Ann Barrett and welcome to Frontline Business. There is more bad news for the part owner of the Jamalco alumina refinery, the Noble Group. The struggling commodities trader has completed the sale of its U.S.-focused oil business to the world's largest oil trader, Vital, but net proceeds from the deal are lower than a previously announced estimate. More in this report.
In a statement, Noble Group said net proceeds from the sale of Noble Americas Corporation to Vital were expected to be about $400 million. In October, Hong Kong-based Noble said gross proceeds from the deal would be about $1.42 billion, and it expected to make about $580 million after repaying loans. Noble said the lower return on the sale that closed on January 12 was primarily due to operating losses of Noble Americas from October 1, 2017 to the closing date. The Singapore-listed company, which had a market capitalization of $6 billion in early February 2015, was plunged into crisis after a report by blogger Iceberg Research later that month questioning its accounting. Noble stood by its accounts and rejected the report's allegations, but coupled with a major commodities downturn, the firm was unable to recover investor confidence. Finance Minister Audley Shaw last week said the government is seeking new partners to replace the Noble Group investment in Jamalco. He said this is due to uncertainties about its stake in the company. Shawnagay Warren, Frontline Business.
Jamaica has signed an agreement with the Republic of Italy for the elimination of double taxation with respect to taxes on income and for the prevention of tax evasion and avoidance. The signing took place on Friday at the Ministry of Finance. Finance Minister Audley Shaw noted that the agreement holds significant benefit for Italian investors such as Gruppo Campari, which owns J. Ray and Nephew. Double taxation is the levying of tax by two or more jurisdictions on the same declared income asset or financial transaction. The agreement signed between Jamaica and Italy will require that the Italian government acknowledge the payment of taxes in Jamaica in determining what is required to be paid by Italian companies which operate locally. In the meantime, the finance minister pointed out that given the considerable interest that Italy has shown in Jamaica's specialty products, namely coffee, rum, and spirits, business interests should take the opportunity to encourage Italian buyers to expand demand. He says they should explore commercial interests in other branded products such as spices and niche items. Ambassador of the Republic of Italy to Jamaica, Armando Verraccio, says he expects that more Italian companies, including those operating in the tourism sector, will follow the example set by the Campari Group and look at Jamaica as a regional hub for their brands. Jamaica and Italy signed an economic cooperation agreement in 1987 and have cooperated on a number of activities, primarily in the areas of healthcare. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 2,872 points to close at 29,721. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 49 stocks, of which 17 advanced, 21 declined, and 11 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 28 points to close at 2,726. Among the winners were Access Financial, Berger Paints, Caribbean Producers, Carreras, and Fosrich. Stocks declined for Barita Investments, Caribbean Cement, Siboney Group, Express Catering, and Grace Kennedy. Stocks traded firm for 1834 Investments, Cable and Wireless, Caribbean Cream, Epley Limited, and Jamaica Money Market Brokers. Jamaica Producers was the volume leader with over 2 million units, followed by GWest Corporation with over 1 million units and Cable and Wireless Jamaica with over 1 million units. On the foreign exchange market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $125.07. It's costing $100.56 for the Canadian dollar, while the pound sterling is being sold for $170.43 and the euro for $153.81. News in oil. US WTI crude ended Monday's session up 25 cents at $63.62 a barrel. Brent crude, the international benchmark for oil prices, was up 24 cents to settle at $68.85 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Regional stories are next after the break.